If you have ever blown a Forex account, this video is going to hit you hard because I know what it's like: the pain, the frustration. You deposit money with hope and walk away with regret. But here is the raw truth: it's not the market, it's not your broker, it's not the spreads, it's you. And we are going to face it right here, right now. Let's break it down. Most traders think they blew their accounts because of one bad trade. That's false. It's never just one bad trade. It is what led to that trade. It is the overconfidence from a few wins, the anger after a loss, the pressure to recover fast, impulse decisions. That's called revenge trading, and it's a killer. You know the drill. Take a loss and your brain screams, you need to win it back now. So what do? You double your loss size, you enter too early, you skip your analysis, you become emotionally hijacked. Even if you win that trade, you have just built a deadly habit. And if you lose, the spiral gets worse. This isn't about lack of knowledge. Most of you know what to do. This is about lack of control, lack of discipline. I've blown accounts more times than I can count. No mentor, no course, no indicator saved me. I knew the theory, but when I sat in front of the charts, I became someone else. I would enter trades out of FOMO, fear of missing out, chase price, move stop losses. I always told myself the same lie: just one more trade and I will recover it. Let me tell you what that mindset cost me: sleepless nights, broken confidence, financial setbacks, self doubt that nearly made me quit. But here is the turning point. I blew my last account and I looked in the mirror. I said, either fix your habits or quit. The solution wasn't a better strategy, it was a better mindset and a structured plan. Here is what I changed. Rule number one: never risk more than 2% per trade, even on a sure win. Rule number two: I stopped trading after two losses in a day, no exceptions. Rule number three: I journal everything: entries, exits, emotions, mistakes. Rule number four: I use a pre-trade checklist. Before every trade, I ask, is this my setup? Is this the right section? Is my risk to reward ratio at least 1:2? And rule number five: I treat trading like a business, not a casino. And the biggest change, I learned to walk away. Some of my best trading days were the ones I didn't trade at all. If you are watching this, chances are you've felt the emotional roller coaster. You've watched your account disappear and asked, what am I doing wrong? Let me say this clearly: you are not weak, you are not stupid, you are just untrained. Discipline isn't something you are born with, it is something you build. And it starts with one decision: to follow your plan even when it's hard, to protect your capital even when greed kicks in, to become a trader and not a gambler. So here's what I want you to do next. Comment the word discipline if you are done blowing your account. Save this video, watch it before every session this week, and share it with just one trader you care about, because this message will save their account. Your edge isn't just your system, it's your self-control. Your future in trading depends on what you do next. Are you ready to trade like a pro or keep playing like a gambler? The choice is yours. Let's grow, let's win, let's stop blowing accounts. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell so that every time I drop videos like this, you will be the first to get notified. And don't forget to share this video with your fellow traders. One love, peace out.